create the perforations for the dowels on the side of the cross rail. To do this, we need to create a on this face, but if we go to the front or the back view, we're going to see that the side of this cross rail is at an angle, and we need to do the perforations at a right angle. To solve this issue, we're going to go to the perspective view and add an offset plane. We click on the offset plane shortcut icon. We have the ability to select which plane we want to offset, and this is the middle plane that I want to offset. So I select that plane, and into the distance box I'm going to type in 225, which is the total of the width of my cross rail divided by 2, because we're just moving halfway across. When I type in that gives me the exact distance, and I can check that if I go to the front, and I can see that it aligns perfectly with the edge of my cross rail. So I'm going to hit OK and go to the home icon, click on it, and I can see my offset plane ready for me to work on. So what I need to do next is click on the create a sketch icon, then select the offset plane that I just created, zoom into the shape so I can work on it more comfortably, and I can do that by pinching in and out on my trackpad as I would use a phone or an iPad. I'm going to click on the line shortcut tool. If you don't see the line shortcut tool there, you can click on create, and the first option is your line. Okay, so click on the line tool, go to the middle green line and make sure you're on the edge of the shape, and then go down 10 and then 22, go down another 10. All right, so once we have completed that, the line still keeps on going, but I want to get out of the tool, so I press the key on my keyboard, escape. Once I press the escape key on my keyboard, I can go into the middle line, click on it, and then press the key delete. I can now draw my dowel perforations. So I'm going to click on the center diameter circle shortcut, which is here on my workspace. If you don't see it there, you can always go to create, go to circle, and then select the first option, which is center diameter circle. You are going to come to the end of the line, of the top line, and there is that white little dot, and we're going to click on that dot as a reference point for my center, and then drag. We're going to release and type in the exact measurement, which is 10. And we're going to repeat the process for the bottom. Click on it, click on the white dot, drag out, and then type 10. Make sure you drag out and release the trackpad. Don't click, just release, and then type in the measurement and press enter. Finish the sketch. I'm going to click on the extrude tool, select the two profiles we have created, and then I will just go to the navigation box and click on the home icon so I can see things better, and then push that backwards, and that's going to be 25 millimeters in, and then I can just see what's happening. If I go to the front view, move this window to the side, I can see where my drawing is located on a straight angle on that plane, and I'm coming into the perforations 25 mil. Okay, click OK, and if we click on the perspective view, home view, then I can see that my perforations are done. To do the other side, I'm going to repeat the process, but in this moment, I'm in this view, and I'm going to go across, hover across the navigation box, and click on the opposite side. So I'm going to save this document and name it Crossrail Bottom, and then save.